Hi guys, how you doing? This is RobThomasDayTrader. This is my weekly highlights of all my trades for the last week of November. This is week 4, so stick around guys. I'm going to show you all 3 of my day trading days this week, and you'll be able to see how I did. So stick around and see if I was red or green. Hi guys, how you doing? This is Rob Thomas. The market just opened. Today is Monday, November 24th, and I'm going to be looking for some day trades to do. Okay guys, I went ahead and entered a trade. This trade was a little bit aggressive. I entered this trade because the market came down and made like a break, but it's looking like it might be a little false break. I actually entered when it came back up. I said this week I was going to try to experiment with this type of entry, which I might have got into this one a little too quick, but we'll see guys. Okay guys, this was a really quick trade. I got stopped out right down here. Now this week I said I was going to experiment with if the market came down and made a little bit of tail and came up, I was going to experiment with entering right here because a lot of times it looked like a slingshot, but that did not work out today. It came down and made a little bit of tail, came up, I got in right here, and then it shot immediately back down. So this was definitely a loser for about $10 today. Today is November 25th, Tuesday, trading day. The market just opened. We'll see guys. Alright guys, price closed above this pre-market high. Nice green candle, so I went ahead and entered. Play out and see how it goes. Alright guys, as you can see, we are doing fairly well on this trade so far. This right here was my initial take profit, about 2.5%. Yesterday's high, pre-market high is up here, 5%. I think I'm going to shoot for that, especially being down $12 for yesterday. So we'll just see how it goes. These candles are moving very strongly. I think it's going to have enough momentum to get back up there. Let's see how it goes, guys. Okay, guys, I just went ahead and closed the order here, just because, you know, it's starting to show a little bit of resistance. I'm sure it probably can't get to that, but I just wanted to go ahead and end the day green. Let's go to my account and see. Okay, so we're almost back up to 4. Alright guys, how you doing? Today is November 26th, Wednesday. Today is the day before Thanksgiving, so I'm not sure how the market is going to act today. There's going to be much people trading or not, but we will see. Alright guys, we are into a trade. I did enter a little bit early before the candle closed, but it's a pretty strong momentum going up. So we'll see how this one works out, guys. Alright guys, we hit my profit right here, which I'm pretty sure it's actually starting to move on. It probably could have given up a little more, but today is the day before Thanksgiving, and honestly, I'm pretty happy just to be back over my $400, so that means technically I am profitable for this month with this trading strategy. Okay guys, that was my trading week. As you can see, I had some of my ups and downs, but overall I finished the month green for this strategy, even though it was only $1.31, but hey, still green for my first month of day trading this strategy. So that's about a 0.32% gain for the month. Hey, profit is profit, right? So overall I had 6 green days, 5 red days this month. So this first month was a little bit of a challenge, trying to figure some things out. The first week of the month, I did try a high momentum trading strategy that did not work out very well. I lost like $180. Reset my account, started a new trading strategy, not a new trading strategy, but going back to a simpler day trading strategy. So I traded that for 3 weeks. started that account balance with $400 and then ended up with $401.31. So not a huge gain, but still, first time in my life that I've been profitable for a day trading. First green month, even though it's barely anything, hey, it's still profit, it's still progress, right? So guys, if you're interested in learning more about my journey as a day trader, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. You can see my day trading journey as a complete beginner. I'm going to have some different videos on here showing you how I day trade, what my setups are, how I set up my charts and things like that. Feel free to comment below. Let me know if you guys are interested in following me on this journey as a new day trader, trying to become a full day trader in the next 2 years. 18 months to 2 years is my goal. But I feel like I'm getting pretty close. By the end of this year, I think I'll have all the kinks worked out. So stick around, guys, and see how it goes. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video.